Southwest of Chiang Mai, the most visually stunning temple is hiding in the mountains. A short 30-minute taxi, grab, or scooter ride is all it takes to get to Wat Ban Pong. Well, 30 minutes to get to the bottom of it. Getting up to the temple itself presents an option. One could take a short ride in the back of a truck for 40 baht per person round trip, but don't do that. Instead, take the stairs. These stairs. Followed by these stairs. Oh, and then these stairs. But finally, after almost 1,000 stairs, a golden Buddha greets you at the top of the climb. While most Buddhist temples are drenched in color and smaller tiles, Ban Pong is strikingly white with golden caps. It creates a captivating presence, overlooking a lush jungle valley. While there is a bit more color inside the temple, the real beauty is the view from outside in all its two-tone glory. This is easily one of my favorite temples in all of Thailand, steps included. Visit the visual masterpiece of Chiang Mai, Wat Ban Pong.